A small amount of black clay is taken. A small amount of blue and a large amount of white clay are mixed to create a gray-blue color. Half of the prepared clay is set aside. More white clay is added to lighten the color. The clay is kneaded and stretched several times until smooth. The clay is rolled into a ball. The clay is rolled out using a rolling stick. An MDF board coated with white latex is prepared. The rolled out clay is spread onto the surface. The excess clay around the edges is trimmed off. Skin tone clay is prepared. The clay is flattened using an acrylic sheet. The clay is shaped into a cylinder about the size of a finger. One end is pinched to form a pointed shape. The surface is pressed flat and smoothed. The body and neck shape is formed. Excess clay is cut away. A small amount of black clay is taken. Red clay is mixed with a large amount of white clay to create a light pink color. The clay is rolled out thin to make the clothing and the edges are trimmed. The prepared pink clothing is placed onto the body form and the excess clay is trimmed to achieve a clean shape. For making the arms, skin tone clay is taken, rolled into a long cylinder, and then cut evenly. The pink clay is pressed into long strips. Fabric folds are created using the fingertips. Uneven edges are trimmed off. This way, lace details are added to the clothing. The skin tone clay is shaped into an oval. A small amount of hand cream is applied to prevent cracking. The oval shape is adjusted to be symmetrical. The center is lightly marked slightly lower using a pen. The eye positions are marked by pressing and the edges are smoothed by hand. Eye sockets are formed using a tool. A smiling mouth is formed using a straw. White clay is prepared for the eyes. 2 small balls of equal size are made. The whites of the eyes are placed and blended into the face. The head is attached to the body. Blue and black clay are mixed for the pupils. The pupils are flattened and shaped. A small teardrop shape is made for the nose. A thin layer of black clay is added for details. Curved eyeliner shapes are created for the eyes. The eye parts are pressed to secure them together. The excess clay at the back is trimmed off. Black acrylic paint is diluted with water. Eyelids and eyelashes are painted to define the eyes. The eyebrows are drawn. Small broken details are added to the eyebrows. The eyebrows are adjusted to look more natural. Small teardrop shapes are prepared for the ears. Ear sockets are formed by pressing. Soft shading is applied to the face. Blush is added to the cheeks. The nose is lightly colored. The mouth is painted. The ears are colored. The neck area is shaded. Finally, light details are added to the eyes using white paint. White and khaki clay are mixed to create a light coffee color. The base thickness of the hair is built. A parting line is created for the hair. The clay is rolled out to about 1 mm thickness. Hair pieces are cut and prepared. The hair pieces are placed one by one starting from the parting line. Excess clay is trimmed off. The same steps are repeated on the other side. A pointed and slightly thicker hairpiece is prepared. Small broken bangs are added to the front. Long strips are prepared, thicker in the middle and thinner at the ends. The strips are folded in half and twisted. The second piece is twisted in the opposite direction. The pieces are braided together. The excess is cut off. The braid is placed under the ear. Small hair details are added. The hair ends are refined. 3 small white clay balls are prepared. These pieces are attached together. A small hair clip is formed. A beautiful little girl is ready.